A resistor AB of unknown resistance is connected in series to a cell through a key, an ammeter, and a rheostat. A voltmeter is attached in parallel to the resistor AB. On closing the circuit with key, the ammeter and voltmeter show the current flowing in circuit and the potential difference at the ends of resistor AB respectively. Record the values of current and potential difference. Now change the current in circuit by adjusting the slider of the rheostat and again record the values of current and potential difference. In this way, take 6 sets of reading of ammeter and voltmeter. Current in amperes, potential difference in volts 0.15